Hello, my name is Vaishak and I am from the branch first year CSBS. Today my topic here is titled Book Locker with Fingerprint. Certainly, here are five key points about a book locker with a fingerprint scanner. Enhanced security. Fingerprint scanners provide a high level of security as each person's fingerprint is unique, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Convenient access. Users can quickly and easily access the locker by scanning their fingerprint, eliminating the needs for keys or codes. Versatile use. These lockers can be used for storing books, personal belongings, or valuable items in various settings such as libraries, offices, or even homes. Audit trail. Many fingerprint locker systems come with an audit trail feature which records who accesses the locker and when enhancing accountability. There are even certain advantages for the book locker fingerprinting. The first one is no need for keys or codes. Users don't need to remember codes or carry keys, which can be lost or stolen. Quick, ac- quick access. Fingerprint recognition is quick and can provide near instant access to the locker. Enhanced privacy. Users can store personal or sensitive items with confidence knowing that only authorized individuals can access the locker. 24 into 7 access. Fingerprint lockers can be accessed at any time, providing convenience for users with varying schedules.